You are implementing a PMO for a manufacturing organization. They have four different manufacturing setups, and everybody is actually working on their own urgency. When you are implementing a project, somebody says that we have a very different system and we are doing project based on our specific need. Some says that head office does not understand our urgency. Some says that we know how to deliver the project because we are managing the project and we are on ground, right? So as a project manager, what would you do? Are you going to introduce the centralized PMO process immediately so that all projects are going to follow the same strategy, same structure, same framework? Or do you assume that everybody will support it because leadership or management has approved the PMO project? Or you will first engage stakeholders by understanding their power, their influence, their expectation, or their concerns and resistance. You see, PMI has a specific exam content outline task for this, which says engage stakeholders. As a project manager, you have to constantly identify, analyze, and engage stakeholders, because stakeholders are those who are going to impact your project or be impacted from your project. When you look at the typical scenarios that you can face when you are going for the PMP exam, scenarios could be that a powerful stakeholder is resisting the project, or a stakeholder have different priorities than your project, or all stakeholders are not equally important, or local team fear loss of control when they are doing the project, or stakeholder engagement strategy is not working. So you see, in all these specific scenarios, you need to understand that who is the stakeholder, what are the key concerns of the stakeholder, what value, what impact, what influence that a stakeholder can create in your project. And when you are answering these questions, you need to understand that stakeholder engagement is not just a documentation that you are listing the stakeholders or analyzing the stakeholders and designing the overall strategy. It's actually your success story, that how you are engaging and taking them with you towards the overall journey of a project.